Hi guys, welcome to the next section, Predicting Apple Stock Market Cost with LSTM. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with downloading stock market data for Apple. There are many resources for downloading stock market data for Apple. For our purpose, we will be using the Yahoo Finance website. This section will require initializing a Spark cluster. A Spark notebook can be initialized in the terminal using the Spark Notebook command. Here we will open a new Python notebook and rename it. A Spark session can be initialized in a Jupyter notebook using this script. Further, we will see the steps for downloading historical stock market data for Apple. First, we will visit the website to track the daily historical adjusted closing stock value for Apple, which has a stock ticker value of AAPL. Yahoo Finance is a great source for stock market quotes for publicly traded companies. The stock quote for Apple AAPL is traded on NASDAQ, and the historical quotes can be captured for model development and analysis purposes. Yahoo Finance gives you the option to capture stock quotes on a daily, weekly or monthly snapshot. Next, we will set and apply the following parameters to the Historical Data tab. Here in this tab, we will set the start date to January 1st, 2000 and end date to April 30th, 2018 and click on the Done button. After that, in the Show tab, select Historical Prices and in Frequency tab, Daily should be selected. After that, just click on the Apply button. Now we will download the dataset with the specified parameter to a .csv file by clicking on the Download Data link. We will save the file in your local working directory. We will then navigate to the Jupyter Notebook. Using these lines of code, we will upload the same dataset to a Spark data frame. The data frame will allow us to view the date, open, high, low, close, edge close, and volume of the stock on a daily basis. The columns in the data frame track the opening and closing stock values, as well as the highest and lowest values traded during that day. The number of shares traded during the day is also captured. The output of the Spark data frame, df, can be shown by executing df-show function. Here is the output. Python had stock market APIs that allowed you to automatically connect and pull back stock market quotes for publicly traded companies, such as Apple. You would be required to input parameters and retrieve the data that can be stored in a data frame. However, as of April 2018, the Yahoo Finance API is no longer operational and therefore not a reliable solution for extracting data. Pandas Data Reader is a very powerful library for extracting data from websites such as Yahoo Finance. To learn more about the library and how it may connect back to Yahoo Finance once it's back online, visit this website.